Welcome to Lucas's test kitchen, where today we're going to make baked apples.
Katya might have eaten these at one of the palaces.
Baked apples. Now without nuts. To begin, take one golden delicious apple and cut it in half on the horizon of the apple. Once you've cut the apple in half, cut out the middle so it forms a ring around a square, and then squeeze the core out. Once you do that with all the apples, take your cinnamon sugar mixture and sprinkle it over the apple. Once you have done the procedure for each of the apples, put them in a baking pan. Pour a little bit of boiling water into the pan so it covers the bottom of the pan. And then put the pan in the oven, which has been preheated to 375 degrees. And then set the timer to 40 minutes.